Let's do a review of some important groups. There's no way around it, so don't look for any hoops. The functional groups, that's what we're learning today. Please don't go away. Alkane, you put your single bonded C's in.
You put your hydrogens in.
You covalently bond
and by shared electron pairs.
You make the alkene group
And you turn yourself around. And that's what it's all about.
Alkene. You put your double bonded C's in.
You put your H in.
You mix it all together.
And you bond it all about.
You make the alkene group.
And you jump up and down. And that's what it's all about. Alkynes.
You put your triple bonded C's in. You put your hydrogens in. You covalently bond a total of 3 times. You make the alkyne group
and you spin yourself around. And that's what it's all about. Aromatic ring. You have a ring with 6 carbons. You put 6 hydrogens in.
You have 3 alternating double bonds within the ring. You form a delocalized ring and you spin yourself around.
And that's what it's all about. Amine. You put your nitrogens in. You put your H's in.
You can put your R groups in and form different kinds. 0 degree, primary, secondary, tertiary.
That's what it's all about. Yeah. Alcohol. You put your OH in, you bond your OH on.
You bond to a carbon and you shake it all about. 0 degree, primary, secondary, tertiary.
That's what it's all about. Carbonyl group. You put your carbon in, you have a double bonded O, you put an R group on, and you bond it all about.
And if you add an H on, you can form an aldehyde.
And that's what it's all about.
You put a carbon in, you have a double bond O, you add an R group on, and you bond it all about.
And if you add an R group, you form a ketone. And that's what it's all about. Acid. You put your carbon in, you have a double bond O, you put your R group on, and you mix it all about.
And if you add an OH, it's a carboxylic acid.
And that's what it's all about.
Now, ester and ether. If you have an O with 2 R groups and they're all single bonds and it doesn't smell good, you will know what it is. It is an ether, not to be confused with ester. And that's what it's all about.
Now, ester. You put your carbon in, you have a double bond O, you put an R group on, and you bond it all about. And now you add an OR, and if it smells good, then this is an ester reaction that we like to do. The allo reaction for me and you.
It's a cool reaction that is fun to brew. Look what we can do.
Allo reaction. You put a strong base in, it kicks an alpha H out.
It forms an enolate and it spins itself about. The enolate can resonate and share the bond on O. And that's an aldol reaction for you.
Another carbonyl group can get attacked by the enolate. It forms a new bond and it feels real warm.
The result is a beta hydroxyl carbonyl unless you have a delta sign, in which case you have an aldol condensation product.
Remember these groups and reactions too.
Please don't forget them or Dr. Dada will be mad at you.
It's important to know your OChem and to educate.
Now let the information resonate.